Good evening, guys. My name is Vardhan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a course or a hands-on lab from Spektra Academy, and also how to launch it from the Spektra Academy LMS. Right? So the first thing that you got to do before you purchase a course is to create an account on Spektra Academy. Right? So you can create your account by clicking on the Start Learning button on the top right corner. For first-time visitors, you may want to sign up by clicking on this button over here. You can sign up with your Google account or your LinkedIn account, or you can just create a new, work account, or just link it with your work account. However, I'm an existing user and I have an account, so I'm just going to click on this option, work or school account, and I'm going to choose my account and log into my account. So what you see here is basically the Spectra Academy LMS, right? This is the dashboard where you have access to all the courses that you're subscribed to. If you see my LMS, I have 2 courses assigned to myself. However, when you log in for the first time, you will not have any courses assigned in your LMS. So to quickly get courses assigned to yourself, you can click on the Explore New Courses to go back to the home page, and from here you can choose the courses of your choice, right? You can explore the various filters over here to figure out if you want to purchase an immersion workshop or a hands-on lab or a practice test or whatever suits your needs, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you an example of a hands-on lab because I want to also show you how to launch a lab and how to use it, right? So the AZ-104 is a very popular Microsoft certification, and I'm going to buy the hands-on lab of this particular certification, right? So remember, there are various packages. There is a hands-on lab package, there is a practice test package, as you can see over here, and of course you have a combo of both, right? So this is chosen by default. So I'm going to quickly choose hands-on lab and make sure I purchase and enroll only into this particular course. Do note before you make the purchase, do note the features that you have available with your course, right? With your practice test, you will have access to only the practice test. With the hands-on labs, it will be just hands-on lab. If you go for the exam prep package, you might have more options. So do note your features that you're subscribing to. And once you've clicked on that, you can click on enroll now, right? So most courses are available in English and Spanish, right? But if you're and here in my case, I anyways prefer to learn in English, so I'm going to click on enroll now and then click on English over here. It's pretty simple. After that, you land on the payment page, and if you guys have a credit card or a debit card, it's pretty easy to pay with this Stripe payment gateway. Okay, you can just click on this and make the payment. However, if you guys have a coupon code or a voucher code, you can also go ahead and redeem your vouchers by pasting them here and applying them, right, to get a discount. If you guys have credit card, you can just click on Stripe and straight away enter your card details, and of course you can enter your email ID, verify the amount that you're going to pay over here, and then click on pay and get access to the course, right? But if you're someone like me that you have a voucher code or a coupon code, then you can might as well apply them and redeem the discount that you can, right? So let me just go back to the course quickly. I'm going to choose hands-on lab and I'm going to apply my coupon code this time and show you how it works, right? So if you have a coupon code, this would be your coupon code. You can just enter it over here and click on apply. So as it says, coupon code is added to my basket. You can verify the course name and the hands-on lab name. So I get a professional certificate, of course, with my hands-on lab if I complete it. And I have a discount applied to that. And in this case, I can just click on place order since I don't have to pay anything, right? But however, if you have a balance left over to pay, you can just go to Stripe and make the payment using your card. So in this case, I'm going to click on place order and purchase the course. You can just verify further details. As you can see over here, the course has been purchased, and to access your course, you can go to your dashboard. Right? If you can notice, this time I have an extra course, which is nothing but a hands-on lab available in my LMS. So you will also have something similar to this. You can click on view course to quickly access your course and get started, right? So mine is a exclusive hands-on lab package. So I can click on start course to get started sequentially, or I can just have a quick overview by looking at the introduction, or I can just launch my hands-on labs straight away by going to this drop down, right? And these are the various modules or various hands-on labs I have here. And to launch them, I can just click on them and click on unit over here. This would launch one of the first labs with Spektra Academy. So as you can see, as a learner, your hands-on labs are getting launched. Do note that you can launch a lab by just clicking on this button, okay? And you might have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes for your lab to launch because they will not be in a ready state. So it would take a maximum of 15 minutes to launch a lab. So do plan your schedule accordingly. Let me just click on launch lab, and your lab progress details would be visible here. Once again, I repeat, it will not take more than 15 minutes to 20 minutes to launch your first lab. So please plan your calendar and start working accordingly. In this case, it says that my lab will get launched in 5 minutes. So please wait till your lab environment is getting ready. And you might just have to wait without refreshing the page or doing anything else. And after it crosses 100%, the lab will get launched automatically. Okay, as you can see, the lab is ready, and it's just getting the environment, it's just getting prepared. Right. So guys, this is the hands-on lab that has launched. So you have a VM over here with the lab environment where you can execute your steps and your exercises. And on the right side over here, the lab guide, and you have the environment details and mainly the lab guide over here, which has instructions with respect to the steps that you have to do for this particular lab exercise, right? You can follow the instructions mentioned over here, like it says you can first launch your Azure portal over there. You can enter the credentials provided in the environment details tab, right? So that basically means you can launch the Azure portal from here, and you can go to the environment details tab over here. You can copy the username, copy the password, and then log into the Azure portal, right? And perform your lab guide. So these are a combination of various steps. So this is the first step in this particular module, and you have various other steps that you have to follow. So this is the simple process of executing lab exercises with Spectra Academy's hands-on labs. So that's it in this video, folks. If you guys have any further doubts, or if you have any issues while executing these labs or launching these labs or during the payment process, then you can always reach out to academy-support@spectrasystems.com and drop in your queries there. Or you can give our support team a call, who is available 24/7. So that's it from my side for this particular video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I hope you also have a fruitful experience with Spectra Academy's hands-on labs. Thank you.